Are you done backholing?
Is that my backhoe?
Doesn't even have a backhoe on it. It's just a tractor.
Dude. Hose broke.
Think it looks good?
Stop.
Do you want to put the scoop in before you tighten that, Jason?
No. Follow the instructions.
Casey, do you like your backhoe?
Backhoe.
Backhoe.
What's he saying?
You always don't know how to say it.
I don't know how to say it?
What is it?
Backhoe.
Back what?
Backhoe.
Backhoe.
Not hole.
Yeah, I know.
Backhoe.
It's H-O-E. Ho.
You always say back hole.
Yeah,
you say backhoe.
that's just the German in me.
Neighbor.
Backhoe.
Backhoe.
Casey, what is that?
Truck.
Truck. Casey, dance. Dance. No.